I'm Holly Silva and I've been a crafts expert for 15 years. Today I'm going to show you how to make an orange slice bird feeder craft for kids. So I have an orange here and an adult is going to be in charge of this part because we're going to cut the orange into slices. So kids can watch, but they have to be careful and stay away. So you're just going to slice through here like so. Oh, that's a brilliant smelling orange. And you're just going to slice up the orange like so. Some thick slices would be nice, not super thin. That would be good. It's a nice slice there. Check that out. It's a beautiful orange. It smells delish. All right, I'll just do one more for looks. There we go. Okay, now we've got a couple of slices here. Now what we're going to do is pour some birdseed onto the dish. All right. And then you're going to coat the oranges in birdseed. Press it down really well there. There we go. Now we're going to take some craft wire of all different lengths depending on how high it is that you're going to be hanging these orange slices. And you're going to stick the craft wire through one side of the orange, through the rind, pull it up and twist it. And there you have it. That is how you make an orange slice bird feeder craft for kids. See you next time.